Hello everyone, I am Bhumika. I am presently working as a legal intern under Lexis and Company, a law firm. I am from Reva University, Bangalore, pursuing BLLB Honors second year. So let us start off today's topic for the discussion. Today's topic for the discussion is what is the impact of this lockdown due to COVID-19 pandemic on domestic violence cases in India. So let us begin today's topic. To begin with, why this is there in the news is that the UN Secretary General has itself raised the flag and said to many countries, or we can take most of the countries, that to look after this horrific menace of domestic violence cases to not increase in this pandemic period. And also in India, when it comes to the context of India, also National Commission for Women is established, right? So that has also flagged and raised the issue to the government, saying that it is receiving many complaints of this domestic violence happening due to this lockdown period, extended lockdown periods, so that to look after this raising domestic violence cases and bring out few solutions as soon as possible. And it has said to the government also to bring into many helpline numbers which will be effective as such. Okay, so this was in the news, so that we will see why this domestic violence cases has been increasing in India. We'll be speaking in the context of India only more. So now let us start off that. As we all know, what is domestic violence? We all know that happening in the home where the husband is beating wife due to few stress that is there on the male counterpart. Even stress is there on the female counterpart also, but she is not acting like this. So that, like, most of the time domestic violence cases are reported by women counterpart only, because it is happening on them. They are the victims of that, and the perpetrators of this crime is no doubt that is men only in the house due to various stress. That is, they themselves are thinking that they are having few rights on the body of the woman so that they can do anything, but that is not true as such. So now, why this is increasing in COVID pandemic period or during this lockdown itself, that to say this National Commission for Women has said to the government that it has received 291 complaints only in the month of March 2020. So this has been said by National Commission for Women. So by this we can understand that to the what extent domestic violence cases are increasing in India due to this lockdown period. So what will be the main reason? Main reason is that now all the family members will be staying within the four walls of the house of due to this lockdown rules, and also that there will be economic constraint as well, right? Due to the maybe it will be their job loss or the salary cut, there will be economic constraint. They need to look after their kids also. There will be also like acting as a stress to them. And also on the woman counterpart, she is having the domestic chores to be done daily in their home as well. Whether if the woman is more like she is a working woman, then she need to do work from home as well. Even the stress is there on the woman counterpart also, but the male counterpart thinks that like this might be the influence of the societal or the patriarchal norms of a society or male dominated society, as we know. So they will think that they are having few rights, or they will maintain high self-esteem if they beat or abuse or do some sort of violence on their wives, right? And also this domestic violence not only is on like the wives or the women, it can be on the children as well or the elderly, but that is different context. We are only discussing of domestic violence that is happening on the wives. Okay, so one will be the economic constraint that is happening, and also the victim, that is the women, are all like the 24 hours they are in front of the eyes of the perpetrators of this crime. And also, so due to this, they are also keeping control on the behavior of the victims as well. Like it is kind of like stalking thing, like with whom they are calling, with whom they are speaking, what they are speaking, like so these kinds of thing, restrictions. This is also the type of violence, right? So this thing is happening. And also like physical violence is happening, beating or like slapping or these kind of thing. And the sexual violence also is happening, forcing them, like the so-called marital rapes, and where consent is not there, will and consent is not there from one side. And then we can take is that after that emotional domestic violence also is happening due to this so much of stress which is created. Like this is like no one didn't come and create this. It is happening it is a phenomena due to this lockdown, but the male counterpart is not understanding this, and also they are throwing out their stress in the form of this domestic violence on their wives, which is not true at all. So this needs to be reduced. And also women, if this domestic violence was happening without lockdown, if they will be having the police help to seek, now that is also stopped, because all the police forces are employed for implementing the lockdown rules. As such, they are busy, and also many cases due to lockdown no one can come out, right? So these cases go unnoticed, unreported, no formal complaints. And also, and now when more NGOs also were there to cater to these needs, to file complaints, who were helping these victims of domestic violence, now they are also not able to work properly due to this lockdown. So all these are the raising problems due to this lockdown. So now what can be the way forward we can think is that the government only need to intervene in the middle and provide effective helpline numbers to the women, need to publicize this in the social media so that women will come to know who are the victims of this crime. And and then media need to publicize or sorry media need to sensitize this issue, and also try to create awareness during this lockdown, saying that like it need to bring an egalitarian society and needs to change the minds of the people, saying that even the male counterpart or anyone in the family who is creating this domestic violence, they need to help in the domestic chores of the women, and they need to respect women, and also need to create awareness and tell the punishments what are available for this domestic violence if the cases are reported. If they do so, to some extent this domestic violence cases can be reduced in India, which is increasing due to this lockdown period. So by saying this, I will end this discussion. Thank you so much.